Thank you for clicking. In this social pathology video, I would like to discuss the deeper understanding of critical race theory. My name is Dr. Samurai, and as usual, I would like to provide you some brief general information first, and then I'd like to move on to our major discussion, hoping that this will deepen your understanding of underlying mechanics of all kinds of social problems, and also you can reconfirm your life direction to attain true happiness on this planet Earth. Are you ready? Let's start. This critical race theory is bustling with people in many arenas, especially in politics today. And most of you probably think it came out of nowhere, but it actually is not. It actually starts 1970s with the scholars like Robinson and Weinberg, who advocated the idea of critical perspective. At the time, there was wars, high inflation, unemployment, poverty, oil shock, racial discrimination, and increase of crimes. And this critical perspective is pretty much based upon Marxism, although myself is not for communism. I would like to explain enough details for your deeper understandings. In this idea of critical perspective, they think this capitalistic society is based upon the idea of pursuing for maximum profit on the minimum cost, for which capitalists exploits laborers as if it is as a matter of course. Because of that, working class suffer from poverty, unemployment, shorter lifespan, mental disease, alcoholism, crimes, and so on. And listen to this. Capitalists set up laws and regulations to protect their own profits. Capitalism makes everybody in it more competitive, more hungry, and more selfish, never thinking of their friends' happiness. The reason why crimes are concentrating in a lower social tier is because the judicial system accepts capitalist acts of pursuing their profits and greeds as being legal, while such ambitions of the poor workers' judicial system considers as being criminal. So the laborers in lower tiers of the society are oppressed and exploited, and our society is controlled by rich capitalists so that they can maintain this social inequality intentionally to keep this social system for ruling class. So it's 2021, right? Already in 1970s, without using critical race theory, without using a phrase critical race theory, this our judicial system is made to protect ruling class social control was already pointed out. The judicial system is for the ruling class, which is equal to people with the hardcore white supremacy. So, oh, by the way, if you like this kind of discussions, please click that yellow and green good luck charm logos and listen to this conclusion. So what I would like to know as today's value is critical race theory is not what was born out of this to support this Black Lives Matter movement. The very base was there already in 1970s, and it clearly said the judicial system is made to protect the ruling class, which is today's those who advocate privilege of white people. And what we have to know is this intentional racial structure based on a judicial system is originally made to protect the ruling class in capitalism or capitalistic social system. So we must know this racial philosophy is intertwined, mixed with maintaining this capitalistic society and its winners, who are also those that are the class who conduct racial discrimination that leads to today's Black Lives Matter movements. I hope you understood my explanation. Anyway, this is pretty much it. Up until next time, please think about this excessively advanced capitalism is creating winners and losers, which is closely related to racism in this society. And please check out some of the videos in my playlist so that you can deepen your understanding in other areas too. Wherever you are, my friend, on this same planet Earth during this same time we share. Bye-bye now.